Honey, you're a genetic Ladowin. Why would you want to do that?
Well, I'm Elle Woods, and I came all the way from Harvard Law School.
That's a good school.
I know. But I did it to follow my one true love. And now he's dating an evil Breppy.
So what she got that you don't got? 3 boobs?
No, she's serious.
Seriously, she got 3 boobs?
She's a constipated polo shirt with a mousy brown mop on her head, but apparently that's what Warner wants, so you have to make me a brunette.
Do you know the #1 reason behind all bad hair decisions? Love. You're lost without your love. Your heart is on the floor. I can help you. I've been there before. When I need to relax, I just put on some tracks from this CD I bought for the store. Isn't that relaxing? It's called Celtic Moods. See, my mom was 3/4 Italian, and my father I never knew. But my grandfather came from Ireland, the land where dreams come true.
Ireland.
Yeah, Ireland. He said all Irishmen are like heroes. They're descended from poets and kings. So I swore I'd get married in Ireland, in a wedding like Lord of the Rings. And my red-headed groom, I can see him as we stroll past the churches and farms. He's a sailor named Brendan or Liam. He can dance without moving his arms. In a bar once I met this guy Dewey, and he bought me like 14 beers. And he told me that he was from Ireland, and I lived with him 10 years. And my wedding he kept on postponing. Still I followed him round in a fog, till he dumped me for some slut named Kayla. Took my savings and took my dog. My grandfather should have just shut it. Every story he told me steered me wrong. All the dreams that he gave me got gutted. All that's left is this weird Enya song. But hey, you should not give up on Ireland. Just be careful you don't get late. And don't drink till you're tearing your top off. And you flash the St. Patrick's Day parade. Yes, all your life has a future. You have hope as each new day dawns. Girls like you always get to see Ireland. Send my love to the Labrador. God, it's days like today that I miss my baby Guinness the most. Look, it's our annual glamour shop, the Little Sailors.
Aw, how sweet. No woman should ever be denied her dog.
Tell me something I don't know.
I'll bring the lobster pot stickers.
Perfect. I've got a case of